Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we are doing factor theorem. What is factor theorem? Factor theorem can be applied for the expressions of higher degree. Can be applied to expression of higher orders. Like if we have cubic polynomial. For solving cubic polynomial, we have to use factor theorem. This cubic polynomial is in the form of ax cubed plus bx plus c plus d, cx squared cx plus d. This is a form of cubic polynomial. Like if we take one example, solve x cubed minus 4x squared minus x plus 4 by factor theorem. First of all, we have to solve this by trial and error method. We have used trial and error method for getting 0. If we take any value in this expression, I'll put like 2. If I am not getting 0, I will take some other number and so on. We have to use that number until we get 0. Like if I'll put x is equal to 1 in this expression, see whether I am getting 0 or not. Put x is equal to 1. So this is 1 cube minus 4 1 square minus 1 plus 4. 1 cube is 1 minus 4. This is 1 minus 1 4. 1 4 minus 1 plus 4. See 1 minus 1, this cancels, this cancels. So I am getting 0. If I am not getting 0 by putting x is equal to 1, so I'll use x is equal to 2. After that, again if I am not getting, I use some another number. I can take integers also. X is equal to minus 1, minus 2, 0 and so on. So factor is x minus 1. Now we will use long division method to find another factors. So we have this x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. Now we'll use x minus 1 over here to find other factors. So how we can use this? Always see the first term that is given in the question. This is x cube. Here we have x. So how many x we are in need of? 2. So we'll write x square over here. X into x square is x cube. So I'll write x cube over here. After that, we use this 1 into x square. This is 1x square. I'll put over here. Now we have to cancel this x cube. So we will interchange the sign. This is positive. I put negative over here. This is negative. I put positive over here. So x cube cancels with x cube. Now we'll see which sign. This sign and this one. Plus minus minus 4x square and plus 1x square makes minus 3x square. After that, we have to write all the values over here. Minus x plus x. Minus x plus 1. Now we have minus 3x square over here. Now we have to cancel this minus 3x square. So here I have 1x, here it's x square, so I am in need of minus 3x. So x into minus 3x makes minus 3x square. I'll write over here. After that again minus 1 into minus 3x makes plus 3x, so I'll write plus 3x over here. Again same step, we have to interchange the sign. This is minus, I'll put plus over here. This is plus, I'll put minus over here. So plus minus minus, so this is cancel, and minus minus make plus, so minus x and minus 3x is minus 4x, so I'll write minus 4x over here. Sorry, here 4 is there. Alright, I'm sorry, it's minus 4x, so I write this 4 over here. Okay, now I have to cancel this minus 4x. I have x over here, so what we have to write over here? Minus 4. Minus 4 into x is minus 4x, so I write minus 4x. After that minus 1 into minus 4 is plus 4. Now I have to make 0. So we get 0 over here. If you are getting 0 in the last, that means you are correct. If you are not getting 0, that means we are wrong somewhere. After that I'll write this quotient, but I'll get x square minus 3x minus 4. Now we have to make factors of this by using that factorization formula, x square, and now I have to make a factors that product is 4 and addition and subtraction makes 3. Product is 4, addition or subtraction makes 3. This is x square, 4 minus 1. So x square minus 4x minus 1 minus 4. X, take x common, x minus 4. From here 1, so this is x minus 4. So we are left with x minus 4, x plus 1. So our answer is this x minus 1 and x minus 4 and x plus 1. These all are factors of this cubic polynomial expression. This is what how to solve factor theorem. Thanks for watching the video. Please get in touch if you need any help. Do like and subscribe it, please.